Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we will show you our BU model machine. BU is actually short form for what we call as baby UTM. This version can do a lot of things that normal UTM can, but not all of them. So this one we have is for 500 kgs force with a maximum displacement of 300 mm. Now we've already mounted a sample on this one. This is like a plastic which is used in packaging industry. We are using simple screw action grips with rubber paddings on them to get a good grip. If we go to the display, you can see we show the force, the displacement, elongation, percentage elongation, and the direction of movement. Before we start the test, we press F tear and S tear, make sure the force and displacement both are 0. Select the direction, in this case it is down, and then we press start. So as the sample stretches, you can see the force increases, and when it starts to break, the machine will detect when the sample is broken and it stops on its own. You can see it starts to break, and this is a good break because it's happening from the center. Once it's completely gone, the machine stops. To see the actual force, you just press peak here. It shows you the maximum force it went to. Once that is done, you can hit the pause button so the machine goes back to its original position. So it starts to go back up. And when the test is done, it's a good idea to hit peak clear, which will clear out the peak that was stored in the memory. Some of the other buttons here, we'll just talk about them for a second. The F and the S limit are your safety limits. So this is a 500 kg load cell. That is why we put a 490 kg limit on it. And our displacement is maximum 300 mm. So once it reaches that point, the machine stops automatically. In addition to that, we have some mechanical stoppers too, which are your hardware safeties. So if the machine happens to touch this point, it will disconnect the motor directly. Now, this is just one of the applications for this. There's of course many fixtures and different types of load cell, different forces available for a variety of applications. So thank you.